Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7 and today I am going to describe essential topic of English grammar and my today's topic is adjective. First of all, we will know the definition of adjective and how we will identify it. So first of all I am going to describe what is adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies or adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. In other words, we can say that an adjective is a word which is tell us the quality of noun or pronoun. Look at the example. Ram is a good boy. There, good is adjective because good describe the quality of Ram and Ram is noun here and good is the quality of Ram. So good will be the adjective word. Look at the second example. He is intelligent. There he is pronoun and intelligent is quality of he of pronoun. So intelligent will be adjective in this sentence. And after it I will tell you an important note that how you will identify the place of an adjective. Look at the note. Adjective is used before the noun and after the verb. Look at the example. Boy is noun here and good is adjective. So good word is adjective which is used before the noun and intelligent is also adjective and is a verb. So there intelligent means adjective is used after the verb. So this is the rule and be careful about this rule. Now I am going to describe the kinds of adjective. Kinds of adjective. There are how many kinds? 8 kinds of adjective. First, adjective of quality, proper adjective, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and after it, number 5, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. So there are the 8 types of adjective, means these are the 8 types of adjective, and now we will discuss the each part, each kind of adjective separately one by one. First of all, we will discuss the first kind of adjective, adjective of quality. The adjectives that are used to describe the nature, quality, color, size, shape, fault of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. In other words, we can say that an adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or things. Look at the example, a red rose, a fast friend, a noble king, an honest man. An adjective of quality answer the question what kind of. When you said what kind of, then you will find out the answer. Look at the first example. What kind colored the rose? So color will be red and red is their adjective. What kind of friend? Fast friend. It is represent the nature of his friend, someone's friend. What kinds of the king? The king is noble. So noble is also nature and quality of a king, and it is also adjective. And what kind? The man. The man is honest. So honest is also adjective, and it is the quality of someone or a man. So this is adjective of quality. And now we will discuss the another kind of adjective. But first of all, I want to declare the use of adjective of quality. Adjective of quality can be used in two ways. First use, attributive use. We can say the first use of adjective of quality is attributive use. And how we can identify it? When an adjective is placed just before the noun, it is used as attributive. Means when an adjective is placed just before the noun, we call it attributive use. Look at the example, it will be more clear to you. Akbar was a great king. There, great is adjective word and king is noun. So, it is the use of attributive because great means adjective word present before the noun. So, this is the use of attributive. Now, we will know the second way of the use of adjective of quality. And second way is predicative use. When an predicative use means where we find the predicative use. So look at the definition first of all, and I will give you the example which is based on this use. When an adjective is used after the noun or pronoun, the use is called predicative. Look at the example. This mango is sweet. Their mango is noun and sweet is adjective word. So adjective word is present there after the noun. So this is the use of predicative. And now we will discuss the next part, means next kind of the adjective, and this kind is proper adjective. What is the proper adjective? First of all, we know it about that from the definition. Proper adjective is a word that modifies noun or pronoun and is formed from a proper noun. In other words, we can say an adjective derived from a proper noun is called a proper adjectives. Look at the example, an Indian farmer, the American books, an Assam's tea, the French lady. All this word means all these examples and the words Indian, American, Assam's, French, these words derived from the proper nouns. So these are proper adjective. Look at the note. These adjectives always start with the capital letter. Indian, American, Assam, and French. And now we will discuss the third kind of the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity indicates the amount or estimate amount of noun or pronoun in the sentence. In other words, we can say an adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing. Look at the example. some, any, little, much, enough, sufficient, insufficient, all, whole, and great. These words we can use in adjective of quantity. Now we can know some facts or definition about the fourth kind of adjective of number. What is adjective of number? Adjective of number state number of persons or things is called the adjective of numbers, or numeral adjective is another name of adjective of numbers. And in other words, an adjective of number tells us how many person or things are meant. These adjectives are two types. Means adjective of numbers are two types of adjective. How many types? Then you can say it will use in two ways or two types. First, definite means when they express exact number. Example, 5 cat, third row, and double and something. So it means when 5 cat, 5 is exact number of cat. Third row, third is exact number of row. Double, it means a work is done how many times? Double times. Second type is indefinite. Indefinite when they do not express in an exact number, means in this type of adjective you can't find exact number. Look at the example, all cats, few cars, several passengers. In these words you can't know, you can't find out how many cats are sitting there. All, no idea. Few, no idea about the cars. Several means no idea about the passengers. So from this way we can't know about the number of the cats, cars, and passengers also. Now definite adjective also have two kinds. First, cardinal adjectives. What is cardinal adjective? A cardinal number is a number that says how many of something in exact number. Just like look at the examples. And the cardinal number you can find in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, she has one pen. There one is indicates us how many pen she has. She has only one pen. Look at the second type of definite adjective. It is ordinal adjective. What is an ordinal adjective? An ordinal number is a number that tells us the position of something. means exact order. Cardinal is represent exact number, but ordinal represent exact position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. For example, she stands first row in prayer. So there I use first, and first indicated an exact position of the row. So this is the use of ordinal adjective. Now I am going to describe fifth kind of adjective, and it is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Look at the definition. A demonstrative adjective indicates the noun which is used after it. Some common demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. In other words, we can say a demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or thing. And in this type of adjective, we will see only these words: this, these, that, those. And these are demonstrative adjectives. For example, these walls need to be painted. There, these is used as a demonstrative adjective. And now I want to describe a special note, and in this note you can find out differences between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun, that how you can identify it is demonstrative adjective and it is demonstrative pronoun. So look at the note very carefully. Note, if this, that, these, those, and this is used after the noun, point out this, after the noun, then it is demonstrative adjective. But if it is used after the verb, then it will be demonstrative pronoun. So look at the example, it will be more clearer to you. This girl is good. Here good is adjective word, and it is after the noun. So this is the use of demonstrative adjective. Clear? Next, this is a good girl. There you can find good is also here, and good is your adjective, and it is after verb. So, and before the noun, point out this. So this word good, their good is demonstrative pronoun, not demonstrative adjective. Now I am going to describe the sixth kind of the adjective, and it is distributive adjective. Look at it very carefully. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives are used to refer to member of group as individual. In other words, we can say about the definition of distributive adjective. An adjective which refers to each one of the number is called a distributive adjective. And in this type of adjective, we can use such a words: each, every, either, and neither. For example, every child must be sent for a medical checkup. There we are talking about every child. So we will send for a medical checkup each and every children. So this is the use of distributive. And now we will know the difference between distributive adjective and distributive pronoun. Look at the example very carefully and note also. When each, every, either, neither are used after the noun, it will be the distributive adjective. But each, every, either, neither are used after the other words, then it will be distributive pronoun. So look at the example. Each boy took the test. There, each, you can find each there, and you can see each there, and each is present before the boy. What is boy there? Boy is noun word. So you will find either or neither before the noun and after the noun also. So there each is used as distributive adjective. Look at the next example for distributive pronoun. Each of the boys took the test. Sorry, there will be took. There each is present of you and each is placed before of the means other words. So it is the use of distributive pronoun. Okay, now I'm going to describe the second type of adjective, and it is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective asks us question, and an interrogative has which when used with noun ask question is called an interrogative adjective. And in this type of adjective we can use these type of words: what, which, whose, why. Example, which umbrella is your? Dear, which umbrella is your? This sentence we used interrogative adjective. And now I am going to describe differences between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronouns. Look at it very carefully with the note, and after it I am describing it with the examples also. Look at the note. If a noun is present just after the what, which, who, it will be interrogative adjective. Means when you will find a noun after these words, then it means this is the use of interrogative adjective. But if verb is present just after these words, it will be interrogative pronoun. We will clear it more by the examples. So look at the examples. What color is your bag? Color is a noun, and what is interrogative adjective? Means it is interrogative adjective, and color is noun which is placed after what? So This is the use of interrogative adjective. Look at the another example for interrogative pronoun. There you can find did, and before did you can find WS type word means what, and this is the use of interrogative pronoun because after what we can see did, and did is helping verb there. Now next kind of and last kind of the adjectives, possessive adjective, a word that indicates the possession of a noun to a person, a few people. In other words, we can say a possessive adjective shows possession or belongingness. And the possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, their, and her also. For example, our car needs repairs. There, our word is indicates us that this is possessive adjective. And now I am going to describe the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So look at it very carefully. Look at the note. Possessive adjective comes before a noun. Mean possessive adjective you can find before a noun in a sentence, and let us know to it with whom the noun belongs, and possessive pronoun are used after the noun. Means before the noun, when you can find before the noun, then it will be possessive adjective. When you can find it after the noun, then it will be possessive pronoun. Look at it with the examples. Okay, look at the example. My book, our class. Their book and class, both words nouns, and our and my is possessive adjective because you can find it before the noun. This car is mine. Their car is noun, and you can find it after the word mine, and mine is possessive word. So this is the use of possessive pronoun. And now I'm going to give you a practice exercise. Do the practice of this exercise. Okay. In this exercise, pick out the adjectives and tell their kinds. You will do it. So look at the sentences. First sentence, Vimal is clever boy. Second, he gave me 5 mangoes. Third, do you like that girl? Every word is wrong. Which book do you want to buy? An Indian girl is a good wife. Ashok was a great king of India. He got first position in the class. She has no sense. We ate ripe mangoes. Several trees were uprooted. He did not eat any rice. So this is the exercise, and I hope you all understand the all kinds of adjective and differences between adjectives and pronoun with the similar words, and you can find out the kind of adjective very easily. I hope it. And if anyone has any difficulty in anywhere, then you can comment me in the inbox of my YouTube, and I will definitely clear your doubts. But if you all understand it very well and like it, so like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos. and press the bell icon for notifications of other uploads by me. And thanks for watching this video.